Hi friends, how are you doing today? Are you preparing for the Duolingo English exam? Many of you may know what is Duolingo, but there are so many students who really do not know what exactly Duolingo exam is. It's just like an IELTS exam. It tests your English language ability, and the same way it grades and evaluates you, and the certificate of Duolingo can help you to apply different universities and colleges all over the world. Although Duolingo is primarily accepted in America, yet many other universities and colleges in different parts of the world now accept it. So how exactly you would know that if your university or college accept Duolingo or not? I personally recommend that rather going through any other source, simply check on Google, visit the website of the college or university you want to visit, and check out if they accept Duolingo result to justify that you are proficient in English language. If it is mentioned on the website of that particular college or that organization, then it would be better if you take the Duolingo test. Now, if you are preparing for the Duolingo test, do you have any way to prepare for it? To be very honest, there is not much material available online or in bookstores to appear for this test. Since it's really an easy test, anyone on a given day can score well in this exam. But for that, you really need to be well aware about the question types that Duolingo asks you. For that reason, I have this course, that is Duolingo course, on my application, available at only 1500 rupees. It comes with explanation in Hindi, the regional language. In case you do not understand Hindi, it would not be much of help to you. But if you do understand Hindi, then go ahead, purchase this course. There are lots of exercises. It would get you familiar with all the question types. It will teach you all the strategies and tips that you need to take care in your mind while attempting the test, and what you should be doing to prepare better for taking the Duolingo course. I personally believe an average students hardly need 5 to 7 days to practice and prepare for the Duolingo test, and then just by paying $50, somewhere around $49, this was the fee last time I checked, and by paying this fee you can book this test. And 24/7 you can take this test sitting anywhere. That means sitting at your home you can take the test, and within a day you receive your result. Isn't it quite fast? So it allows you the flexibility. It's an online test that checks your language ability and provides you the result instantly, and you can use that result to apply for a specific college or university. So if you think you should be taking the Duolingo test, or you have some question on your mind related to the Duolingo test, make use of the comment section of this video and ask me what you want to know related to the Duolingo test, and I will try to help you out. Thanks for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.